What is going on, family? Cribs here. I thought I'd change it up a little bit. Welcome back. What's up, family? Uh, I've already done the unboxing. I kind of wanted to get it out. First impressions of a company I've never tried before. I have really wanted to try this company just due to the fact when I see them on Instagram, their labels look so classy, and that kind of just triggers something in me. It's like, oh man, I got to have that presentation, and I'm about to show you here in just a minute. This is a company, Iowa Beard, Iowa Beard Co., that I've heard some things about. I've heard some chatter about. And they reached out to me about a week ago, and they asked me what it would take for me to do a review, or if I would do a review for them. And I said, heck yeah. If I don't buy the products, all you have to do is basically send me that stank. Swag is more than happy to get on here and give you my first impressions and do a testing on the products and then blast it out to the community. So if you have never tried this stuff before, you can get kind of a first impression of what Swag thinks about it or what Mike Cribbs thinks about this stuff. So I've heard around that it's essential oils, but we'll dive into that in just a minute. But family, welcome back for a late Wednesday night first impressions video. Thanks for coming back and chilling with me. I don't have any coffee tonight. That's usually going to be on a Saturday morning, get that coffee flowing with some good creamer. I'm going to get some different creamers, I think, and try some out for Saturday. But I got my water. I got my water bottle with all my labels and stickers and decals on it. This is number 2. Number 1 is sitting right up there. I swap back and forth. Drink your water, family, due to the fact it is so good and so nourishing and hydrating for your beard and your body. Fact, you need to drink your water. So pound the crap out of it. Where was I? To anybody that is new, welcome. My name is Mike Cribbs. I'm known as Swag in the bearded community. My Instagram channel is the same as my YouTube channel, but it has an underscore in front of it. Underscore Beardswag. Underscore. Go ahead and go over there if you'd like after this video is done and follow me over there. I'd love to have you. This is a channel where I buy products. Some products are sent to me and I do reviews and mega unboxings and test them out and just share the love and my enjoyment of doing this. I truly love it. I love nerding out and slapping this stuff in my beard to get all these different scent profiles, but we'll get into that down the road. I really like this decal. Look at the detail. Black and white just seem to just turn me on with labels and decals and stickers, probably due to the fact I'm colorblind, and it just pops for me. Anyways, if at the end of the video you are liking it, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you like the videos and you want to come back and be part of the Swag family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button at the end. Hit the reminder or right now, whenever you want, and share it. And always leave a comment. I love to hear the comments and what you guys got to say. I love to interact with everybody, hear about if you've tried this product or not. Other things that I may like that I haven't tried that you haven't seen the videos on, and just talk and chill and support each other, love on each other, because that's what this channel is about, the foundation of Jesus Christ, love and support, a place to chill and be comfortable. So let's do that. Let's get into, first of all, look at these labels. I mean, you see what I'm talking about? They're just amazing, classic, old school, picturesque, I guess you could say, out of Des Moines. I think it's Des Moines, Iowa. I think the S is silent. I may be wrong, but that's okay. 2 ounce. This is their balm. Screw top. They sent me Deadwood in the, it looks like the balm, and also this amazing looking butter. 4 ounces of whipped butter. And I'll tell you all the ingredients. And then the oil. They sent me tobacco bitters. And when I opened up the box, I pulled on this pulled this out, and there was no bottle attached to it. So I thought it spilled all over the place. But they actually it's capped, and they send you a dropper if you want it, which was cool. I think that's amazing. I'll have to get on the website and we'll check that out. That'll be on the review. I'll break this down thoroughly, rock it out, test it in beard, and then they also sent me some Tobacco Bitters hand soap. This stuff. Smells so good. Man. That tobacco and that cinnamon. Let me see. Tobacco Bitters, I do believe. Yeah, tobacco, cinnamon, and vanilla. Great, soft, sweet, spicy scent profile. I'll read you the directions here. But let me show you this real quick. Well, just first impressions. Just see the oil. Very nice. Easy. Well, when I push down, that's about what you get out of a whole dropper. And it is labeled with some marks on it. So you can measure it out if you want. I don't. I just slam it in my hand and start rocking it in the beard. A very subtle, sweet, essential oil. Great. It's going to be great for the evening. I could rock this at night. That's probably what this will be. This will be on my nighttime use. It's not loud. It's not pungent. It's just smooth. Smooth and intoxicating. You get that vanilla with that tobacco and then that cinnamon. But it's that essential oil kick to it. You know what I mean. You guys know if you know essential oils or you know these beard products, you know the fragrance oils and you know the essentials, but that'll be broken down on my review. They're balm. And let me tell you, first of all, on the oil, slow down a little bit. Ingredients: jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, tobacco, absolute, vanilla, and cinnamon. It's going to be good in beard. Square bottles. Label on the front. Label on the back. Dropper top is sent with the purchase, I think. And then on the Deadwood, let's see if there's some ingredients on here. There's ingredients. So we got beeswax, first of all, coconut oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and essential oil blends. No scent profile, just the name of it on the front. That's not bad. That's not bad to get out at all. Let me see if I can smell this stuff. You can see. Oh, that's nice and smooth. Not gritty at all. Deadwood. I cannot tell you. But it's sweet. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. Very smooth, though. Not tacky. Not gritty. I like that. That's going to be a good one. I'm going to enjoy rocking that. That's right in my wheelhouse of consistency for balms. Let's rub that off the old pants. And then the Deadwood hydrating beard butter. Ingredients: mango butter, shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oil blend. So it's all essential oils. www.iowa Beard Company. I'll have all that link below. Whew. Very subtle scent profiles. I'm telling you right now. Oh, and that butter is something else. Oh, sorry. I don't mean to be selfish. Good gravy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let's get some of that out. You know what? I'm going to take that ring off. Let's put this butter in there. Okay, it's not gritty. Boy, that just melts. Look at that, guys. Look at that hydration. Oh. All right, I got to go in. Oh, I'm telling you, that feels really nice. I should have brought a paper towel with me, but I didn't. A little goes a long way, I'll tell you that. I got way too much on that first. Wow. Not too bad, but you'd have to wipe your hands off before you touch anything. That's why we got pants. Because we're men. Let me comb this in. My opportunity to go ahead and groom on camera because I love to groom and I'm an over groomer. Excuse me. Very nice. Get that in there. Comb goes right through. Chicago comb, y'all. Love these combs. Oh well, that's enough grooming for now. Subtle. That is going to be a perfect nighttime butter. I'll tell you that right now. I am definitely a traditionalist, I guess you could say. I love my oils and my balms during the day. And then at nighttime I'll slap some more oil in and then rock it with the butter, seal it all in. Since I have two different scent profiles, the tobacco bitters and the Deadwood, I don't know the scent profile of the Deadwood, but I'll have that on the review that's coming up. I think with the essential oils, they're all going to go together. That's just what they do. The tobacco bitters is definitely a little more of a, it's not loud, but it's definitely has more of a scent profile to it. And it's sweet and it's an essential oil. If you like essential oils, you're probably going to dig this a lot. And now let's get down to the handmade tobacco bitters soap. Look at that. Let's just take that out of there for now. Oh, that soap smells a little different than the oil. A little bit more of a spice. More of a vanilla. Probably that tobacco absolute a little bit stronger. But you can see all that goodness. And I'm going to use that in the morning. It is, see if it has a size of it on here. I mean, it's a normal bar soap size. Let's go. It's got some weird ingredients in it I can see already that I'm just going to skip over. But let's go shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, safflower oil, glycerin, purified water, sodium hydroxide, sorbitol, sorbitol, I don't care, I'm not going to say it, oat protein, titanium dioxide, essential oils, tobacco, cinnamon, and vanilla. Des Moines, Iowa. Very nice. That's the back of it. But these labels, man, I'm telling you, presentation, I love it. I guess that's all I've got to say to you, family. So thanks for chilling with me. You know I love you and I'm proud of you. And I mean that from my heart. That's just how this channel is. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and if you feel like it and you want to follow my channel and you want to be involved with the family, subscribe below, leave a comment, share if you would like, hit that reminder bell, all that good stuff. I've got the clicker here ready to go and I'm sure it's going to mess up, but that's okay. Go tell somebody you love them and that you're proud of them. Lift somebody up. Be supportive. Just make an effort tonight before you go to bed or whenever you're seeing this video. Go tell somebody you love them, that you're proud of them. As always, family, peace. Thanks for chilling out with me. And we'll see you on Saturday after I rock this stuff for a while, and I'll tell you what I think about it. But so far, this butter, amazing. Clicker. Cribs out.